Today we are diving into one of the best free VPN services right now as rated by Tom's Guide and TechRadar, PrivadoVPN. So if you are looking for a secure, reliable and totally free VPN service to use, then this could just be what you are looking for. So today I'm going to tell you what makes PrivadoVPN to the top of the list of the best free VPN services right now in the world, and I'm also going to walk you through a comprehensive review on the pros, the cons, the features, and I'm going to walk you through the technical setup so that you have it set up and running on your device all for free. So if you love this video, stick around, and without further ado, let's begin. First off, let's quickly recap why you need a VPN. A VPN, or a virtual private network, is important for protecting your online privacy. So it encrypts your internet connection, making it harder for hackers, advertisers, and even your internet service providers to track your online activities. Yeah, so whether you are using a public Wi-Fi, accessing region locked content, or just want an extra layer of security, then a VPN is a must-have. So what happens is that whenever you are connected to the internet and then you get online, your online activities, whether you are logging into your website, you are performing a transaction with your cards, or whatever be the case, your data could be exposed and hackers can spy over you, and then they can break into your bank accounts, break into your private information and steal it. Okay, right? So because you don't want this thing to happen, you need a VPN that will actually encrypt this, your private information, your data, whenever you are connected to the internet and you get online, so that all your online activities is never going to be exposed and hackers are never going to disturb you. You have peace of mind and you do whatever you want to do online and you get off safely, right? So this is just basically what a VPN does. So PrivadoVPN stands out in the crowded market of VPN services, especially when it comes to its free options. So what makes PrivadoVPN the world's top free VPN? Let's take a closer look. PrivadoVPN offers several impressive features that makes it a strong contender. So here's why. So if you are looking for a VPN, all about it is that you should be concerned about the security that it can offer you. So PrivadoVPN uses the AES 256 encryption, which is the same standard used by most of the governments and military organizations worldwide. So this ensures that your data is extremely secure. One of the most critical aspects of a VPN is its privacy policy. Yeah, so PrivadoVPN has a strict no-log policy, meaning that they don't track or store your online activities. All what a VPN is trying to do for you is that they are trying to say that your privacy, your personal information, your security could be exposed whenever you are connected to the internet or you get online, and then hackers can attack you and intimidate you with your data, right? So they want to prevent these things from happening. If you are going to protect my browsing history and other activities online from being seen by other people, then you yourself should stay away from that information, because it is my privacy. So they themselves shouldn't know my browsing history. They shouldn't store it. They shouldn't keep it anywhere. They shouldn't track me at all. And it remains absolutely private to myself. Do you understand? So this is what we call a no-log policy. Another great feature of PrivadoVPN is generous free service. Okay, as a free user, you get 10 gig of data each month. Yeah, this is more generous than many other free VPNs, making it a perfect occasional use. The best option to use a VPN is to go for the paid version, because of their lapses in the free version, because they don't offer you 100% security. But PrivadoVPN is able to close this gap, making it the #1 top and secure best free VPN in the world. Alright, so having known this, we are going to go through the key features of PrivadoVPN. I'm also going to walk you through the technical setup so that you can have it running on your smartphone, your tablet, and your PC. So let's get right into it. So I'll leave the link in the description of this video. So when you click on it, it will bring you to the website. This is PrivadoVPN. So on the top bar here, you just click on the features, and then you have all the features here. So these ones, when you click on it, they will take you into the comprehensive overview of every feature that they have here. But I don't want to take much of your time, because you can actually come here and read it for yourself. But some of the key features here, I'll highlight them. So if you are looking for the best VPN service, then you should consider one of the feature, that is their zero log policy. Remember, they themselves shouldn't also be able to track your activities. It is very important that most of the VPNs, they lack, and especially the free VPNs, they don't have it. So be cautious. They could take your data and sell it themselves. Okay, so don't trust anybody. So if this one is not well defined in whatever free service of a VPN that you're trying to use, please stay away. All right, consider reading this one first before making a choice. And then I think another great feature is this one, the kill switch. Make sure that a good VPN has this one. And then secure encrypted protocols, that your data is well encrypted and it is protected. Okay, right. And then access to multiple devices. If you have more than one device, maybe your phone, your laptop, maybe many other devices, PrivadoVPN with one account, you can run it on both devices and be secured across all your devices. Okay, you should also consider their download speeds. Most of the VPNs, especially the free VPNs, they kind of slow your internet connectivity, and then your downloads and your uploads become way down than normal. So a whole lot of important features here, but I'm not going to bother you with these ones. Okay, so that is it. If you scroll down here, I think they have a promo running, and then all the way their plans here. So we are focusing on the free plan, so we are not going to bother ourselves with the their plans. Okay, but we'll come back to it later on. Now this is the free part of it, and they offer you 10 gig data every month. This is enough for your online activities, and it can protect you throughout the month if you don't consume so much data. So that is it. Their website is very clean, and you can navigate through and find any other information that you want to know about them. Okay, right. So that is it. I don't want to take much of your time, so we are going into the next stage, that is to set up PrivadoVPN and get it running. So when you visit the website, you just come here to the top right corner, you see the get button. So just click on it. It will start downloading PrivadoVPN onto your device, and we'll go ahead and then we'll set it up. Okay, you can see right here it is available on both Android and iOS. Okay, all these platforms is there, so you can visit the app stores and then you install it on your phone or tablet. But for this video, we are doing it on our laptop. Okay, so just hit the get PrivadoVPN button here, and then it will be downloaded onto your PC. Then you can go right away, click on it to do the installation. Okay, right. So that is it. It is straightforward. If you finish downloading it, just follow the prompts to install it. I already have it installed on my PC, so I'm just going to locate it on my desktop, and I'm going to double click on it to run it. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. So when you finish installing it on your PC, it will walk you through to create your account. So just follow the prompts. It is very simple. I don't want us to go there and take so much time. So when you are done, then you have your account name, and then you have your password. Okay, whenever you run PrivadoVPN like this, you just enter your username, your password, and then you log in. All right, so it will just take a few seconds and it will do the connection very quickly for you. So you can see it is connected, and it has assigned me an IP address, and that is Finland, and that is it. It is connected, and then I'm sure my data is encrypted right away here. All right, so at this point it means that my data is well encrypted, and my privacy is protected. Okay, right. So there is no much things for you to do here. A few settings here. If you don't want it to automatically connect when you start your device, then you can disable that. The moment you visit a PrivadoVPN website, it is going to highlight your location, your country of residence, your IP address, your internet service provider, and the status. And you can see the status here. I am exposed because I am not connected to any VPN, right? But that was when before we connected to the VPN here. So now that we are connected, I think that I'll just refresh their website to see whether my data now is protected. Very good. At first, my default location was my country, but now that I'm connected to the VPN, it has assigned me Finland with a different IP address. And the status here is the most important thing. I am protected, so I can visit the website, do whatever I want to do my online transactions without being afraid of bad people tempting with my privacy and my information. Alright, so that was just a simple setup for you. PrivadoVPN is so simple to set up, simple to follow, and then it's very secure, as easy as it is. Right, so this time around I'm going to take you through the pros, the cons, and what you should expect when using PrivadoVPN, and then we'll draw the curtains of the day. All right, so let's get into it. As you know, every product has its strengths and weaknesses, so here's just a quick overview of the pros and the cons of PrivadoVPN. One of the best things that I like about PrivadoVPN is that they don't joke with their privacy and security at all. The moment it is called a VPN, that is what it is. So they have a strong encryption for your privacy and security. Okay, another great feature I like about them is that they have zero lock policy. So PrivadoVPN, they don't store your data, they don't keep your browsing history, so your everything online is absolutely private. Another important feature about them is that their user interface, when you look at it, is very simple. That is how it is. You don't need a lot of technical setup here. It is straightforward. So that is it. Having talked about the pros of PrivadoVPN, they also have a number of quiet cons that we need to consider. That is great. That is it about PrivadoVPN, and I hope you are loving the video so far. So if that is good for you, then hit the like button, subscribe, and then let's continue. All right, the last thing I want to talk about PrivadoVPN is that do you believe that it is one of the cheapest VPN in the market? Yeah, so far, even though the free plan gives a generous amount of 10 gig data per month, the paid versions is not expensive. You can easily upgrade anytime at all. They're even having a promo running on now. Yes, and we have this one. So when you compare these plans to other VPNs, you will know that this is far cheaper than any other VPN that you can see in the market. But I think I have a coupon that I'll drop it in the description of this video. So if you want to get PrivadoVPN at a very cheap price, then click on that link and go through it and make your pitches. All right, so that was it for PrivadoVPN comprehensive review. All right, so that is it. To wrap things up, PrivadoVPN is an excellent choice if you are looking for a free VPN that doesn't skimp on security or performance. Okay, right, it offers a great balance, features and usability, making it ideal for everyone who wants to protect their online privacy without spending a dime. So if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and then let me know in the comments if you have tried PrivadoVPN and if you have other recommendations. Okay, thanks for watching and hope to see you next time again.